Prime Minister Trudeau has nominated an Indigenous woman to the Supreme Court of Canada. Her name is Michelle O'Bonsawin. For more on who she is, here is the CBC's Peter Cowan.
Well, this is going to be the first time in the 147-year history of the Supreme Court that an Indigenous person will be on the bench. Michelle O'Bonsawin is Abenaki. She grew up in a small Franco-Ontarian town just outside of Sudbury. And it's that French-speaking background that is key, because that's one of the requirements in order to sit on the court, a requirement that has been criticized. In her application to the Supreme Court, she highlighted her work on mental health, saying that the justice system has an important role to reduce the stigma of mental health. Her appointment is getting support from people like Murray Sinclair, former senator, as well as chair of the Truth and Reconciliation Commission. He wrote in a statement this afternoon, Justice O'Bonsawin has shown clearly that she will fill an important role in Canada's highest court. It is long past due that the court has a seat for an Indigenous justice, one who has seen firsthand the impact of colonialism on Indigenous communities. There was also a statement this afternoon from the Congress of Aboriginal People, which wrote, Indigenous people have long faced discrimination, racism, and prejudice in Canada's justice system, leading to the overrepresentation of our people in courts and prisons. Governments must continue to ensure Indigenous voices help create laws, interpret, and enforce them. This is the second landmark appointment to the Supreme Court in as many years. Last year, Mahmoud Jamal became the first person of color to sit on the Supreme Court. Peter Cowan, CBC News, Ottawa.
Brad Regier was the first Indigenous president of the Canadian Bar Association. He says the appointment today goes a long way toward representation.
My heart was bursting with joy because this has been a long time coming. It was something I pushed for while I was CBA president. It's something that's been needed. There's been lots of other Indigenous judges, lawyers, people in the legal profession who have been wanting to see this happen.